film this little baby before she gets too big. This is the first diamond dove baby that I have. I have 2 pairs of diamond doves, and they've had babies, but they haven't known what to do with them. This is the first one that's actually looking like it's going to survive. It's getting its feathers. I just think he's very, very cute little baby. See? Little guy. He's very, very warm too. So, the older he gets, the less likely he's going to be handleable. So I wanted to get a picture of him before he gets all, you know, I'm sure he's scared right now, but when he's older, he's going to be wanting to fly out of my hands, and he's going to be all freaked out. I don't want to I don't want to handle him when he gets to be that, you know, when he gets that way. So, just a little clip to document the first baby diamond dove born in my aviary that looks like he will actually survive. So, there he is.